Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your account name on the MetaMask wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaMask wallet app on your device and you will be asked to continue forward by entering your password. Type in your account password and then tap on the unlock button and you will now be logged in and taken into your wallet homepage. Now from this page, you will be shown your wallet at the top section. This is the name of your wallet that has been provided by default. If you go into the gear icon at the bottom right corner, you will find the contacts option, within which you may also add your own contact by choosing the add contact option. Then you can enter your name, your wallet address, as well as any memo. To change your wallet account name, go back to the home page and then tap on your currently selected wallet at the top section. This will now show you all of your wallets that have been connected to your account. Just click on the three dots alongside the wallet of which you wish to change the name, and you will now see the edit account name option. Tap on this and now you can enter your desired wallet name. Go ahead and type in your desired name for your wallet and then tap on the save button, and now your wallet name will successfully be changed within your MetaMask account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your wallet name on MetaMask. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.